drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. Oh, baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. Say it. My mind, my body. My body says it. My mind, and my heart. My body says it. I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is. But you got me going crazy. Just to do it so amazing. How long can you go, baby? At last to my body so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you right in my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still check in with you. I know that I need my friend, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body.
So hey guys, I just wanted to come on here quickly and give you guys a little bit of details on the humidifier. So this is a 6-liter humidifier, and if you know what a humidifier is, it pretty much helps to purify the air. And pretty much it's just to clean the air pretty much. Making it easier to breathe. If you have sinus, if you have stuffy nose, like, it makes you sleep better at night as well, and pretty much clear your nostrils, and again, just to clean the air so you're not so, like, you know, clean the air of bacteria and all of that. So this is a 6-liter humidifier diffuser. This one, you have the option to use essential oil as well. So you're going to see me adding the essential oil, but you can't put the essential oils directly in the water. You have to put it to the side, which I'm going to be showing you guys, because I did add essential oils to this set that I did. So right now I'm just adding some water to it. It did say on the instruction sheet not to add any hot water or warm water. It's best to go in with either cold or like room temperature water. And I just pretty much added some water to it. You don't necessarily have to put the exact amount that I did. Like, you can literally put it to the amount that you want. I think this humidifier also stays up to 72 hours depending on how much water you actually put in it. Obviously, the size, or not the size, but the amount, the measurements, I should say, are on the side. So right here is where you put your essential oils. So it's almost like a little spongy thing that you just dab. I think there's a name for it, I just don't remember the name. But right here is where you put your essential oils on top of that spongy thing. And trust me guys, the entire room smelled up. So I did a face routine, as you guys can see, when I was doing, you know, my little skincare routine or whatever. That's when I decided to start up my new humidifier. And I'm telling you, the entire time I was doing my face routine, I was just breathing properly. Like, smelled good. So it's very concentrated, even though it's like a bigger humidifier, and I was thinking like it's not gonna really be concentrated. It's very much concentrated. The essential oils smelt up the entire bathroom. and I really enjoy doing my face routine with this humidifier. This, I would say, I wouldn't necessarily keep it just in my room because it has enough, like it's able to cover at least an entire living room. So for me personally, I would put this in my living room, somewhere where, you know, it could go in the kitchen as well and the living room area. So for me, that's where I'm going to actually put this one, because I have a next one, but it's in my room. But this one I'm gonna actually put it downstairs so it can, like, you know. But just look, guys, I'm telling you, I enjoyed putting this together. And then when I was like it, I loved it literally. So again, this is a 6-liter humidifier. You're able to add essential oils. You're able to put it on sleep mode. You're able to time it. You're able to change the level of the mist, whether you want a lot coming out, or you want not too much, or you want like a little bit coming out. Like, you're able to change it. I will be showing you guys all of that when I actually get into it, but I just want to let you guys know that there's a lot of features on this humidifier, a lot. And even comes with a little night lamp, so you know, in the night time, if it's too dark in the room, you can literally turn on the light, which I will be showing you guys as well. Comes with instruction sheet. It also comes with a remote. It comes with 2 extra spongy thingy that you can add your essential oils to, and I think it comes with a little brush to help clean the veins. But right here is pretty much like the screen of it, and I'm going to be showing you guys like the power button, the sleep mode, different mist, the timer, and all of that. The details of the humidifier will be down in the description box. So if you guys would love to purchase it, then definitely check in the description box. The link to the store, all of that will be in the description box. But for now, enjoy the little tutorial and also my little face routine. I will be putting the products that I use on my skin down in the description box. I won't be talking about it because this video is not really too much about my face routine. It's pretty much about the humidifier. So yeah, see you guys at the end of the video.
Hey, told me about all your insecurities, for what? Dragged me like 2 hours to your family's house, for what? Said you need some time, but I should stick around, for what? Always felt like sticking around's the same as being stuck. That's that shit that drives me crazy. And like guns with the aching, yeah, getting under my skin. Pretty little young thing, had a nigga convinced, got me too excited. Yeah, you play me. You my heart, this can't be your first time. We my heart. You wanna get with me, stop it. Shawty made that ass clap, she don't need no applause. High fashion, like go, yo. G-Wagon, or the Rover. I put some ice on you cause you got it cold. I know I gotta keep my shawty on the goals on. Got the ass to the floor. You ain't gotta do it on it, these niggas go. I've been in fiance, is that okay? Is it okay if I call you my pride, babe? I ain't no player, I just got a lot of faith. But let me tell you, I like you a lot of faith. I wanna start at the top and the bottom, babe. Now you want to shoot with the red at the bottom, babe. You know I like when you right at the top. She wants your name, yo. I'm only doing cash, I don't need promo. I pull up to the high rise, I'm in the 4-4. Inside the Coco. If I got a feeling, I keep it inside my heart. And I
So this is pretty much the end of this video. Once again, I would like to thank ASAKUKI, I think that's how it's pronounced, or ASAKUKI, for sponsoring this video. The link to the humidifier will be down in the description box. Also, the link to the products that I used will also be down in the description box as well, step by step, so you guys won't need to figure out like what I use first from what I use second and none of that. But yeah, this is the end. I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so you are notified whenever I post, and leave all your comments down below. Once again, thank you guys, and thank you ASAKUKI or ASAKUKI, I don't even know. But thank you guys for sponsoring this video, and yeah, I'll definitely see you guys in my next one.